Day trading looks exciting from the outside, but the real truth is that it is one of the most mentally demanding ways to participate in the stock market. Day trading means buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day, with the goal of capturing small price movements instead of long-term growth. Unlike long-term investors, day traders do not hold positions overnight, because overnight news and gaps can destroy capital in seconds. The first thing every beginner must understand is that day trading is not gambling, but it becomes gambling the moment you ignore rules, risk, and discipline. Before placing your reverse trade, you must understand how the market actually works during a trading day. Markets open with high volatility, especially in the first 30 to 60 minutes, because institutions, algorithms, and retail traders all react to overnight news. This opening phase is where many beginners lose money because emotions take control before logic does. The middle of the trading day is usually slower, with lower volume and fewer opportunities, which is why professionals trade selectively instead of constantly. The last hour of the market often brings renewed volatility as traders close positions and institutions rebalance. Understanding this daily rhythm is the foundation of day trading. Now let's talk about what you actually need to start day trading. You need a reliable trading platform with fast execution and real-time data. You need a stable internet connection because even seconds of delay can matter. You need a margin account if you plan to trade frequently, as many brokers require this for day trading activity. In the United States, day traders often operate under rules set by SEC, including pattern day trading requirements that demand a minimum account balance. Most beginner day traders start by trading stocks listed on major exchanges like NASDAQ and NYSE because these markets offer liquidity and transparency. Liquidity is critical in day trading because it allows you to enter and exit trades quickly without large price slippage. Next comes chart reading, which is the language of day trading. Price charts show you where buyers and sellers are fighting. Candlesticks represent price movement within a specific time frame and reveal momentum, indecision, and reversals. Support levels are price areas where buyers tend to step in. Resistance levels are price areas where sellers tend to take control. Day traders focus heavily on these zones because price often reacts strongly around them. Indicators are tools, not magic solutions. Moving averages help identify trend direction. Volume shows how strong a move really is. VW app is widely used by professionals to judge fair intraday price. However, beginners often fail by stacking too many indicators and ignoring price itself. The chart is always the final truth. Now let's talk about strategy, because trading without a strategy is simply guessing. A day trading strategy defines when you enter, where you exit, and how much you risk. One common beginner strategy is the breakout trade. This involves buying when price breaks above resistance with strong volume, expecting momentum to continue. Another common strategy is the pullback trade, where you wait for price to retrace in an uptrend and then enter when buyers regain control. Scalping is another approach, where traders aim for very small profits multiple times a day, requiring extreme focus and fast execution. No strategy works all the time. What matters is consistency, not perfection. Risk management is where most beginners fail, not strategy. Professional traders focus on how much they can lose, not how much they can make. A common rule is to risk only 1% or less of your trading capital on a single trade. Stop-loss orders exist to protect you from emotional decisions. If you enter a trade without a stop-loss, you are not trading, you are hoping. Losses are part of day trading. Even top traders lose regularly. The difference is that their losses are small and controlled, while beginners let losses grow out of fear. Psychology is the silent killer in day trading. Fear makes you exit winning trades too early. Greed makes you hold losing trades too long. Revenge trading happens when you try to win back losses emotionally, usually resulting in even bigger losses. Discipline is not optional in day trading, it is survival. This is why many professionals recommend paper trading before risking real money. Paper trading allows you to practice strategies without financial risk. It builds confidence and exposes weaknesses in your approach. Jumping into live trading too early is one of the biggest beginner mistakes. Another mistake beginners make is overtrading. More trades do not mean more profits. Often, fewer high-quality trades lead to better results. Patience is a skill that must be trained. Day trading is also physically and mentally exhausting. Staring at screens for hours drains focus. Taking breaks improves performance. Clear routines reduce emotional mistakes. Many beginners believe day trading means freedom and fast money. The reality is that day trading demands structure, preparation, and continuous learning. Most people fail not because the market is unfair, but because they underestimate the discipline required. Day trading is a business, not a game. You need a trading journal to track trades, mistakes, and emotions. Reviewing your trades is how improvement happens. Ignoring review is how failure repeats. Taxes are another reality beginners ignore. Frequent trading creates taxable events that must be planned for. Ignoring taxes can erase profits quickly. Successful day traders treat capital like oxygen. They protect it first, grow it second. The goal is survival, not excitement. Over time, skill improves, emotions stabilize, and consistency becomes possible. Day trading is not easy money. It is earned money. If you approach it with respect, patience, and discipline, it can become a powerful skill. If you chase it with greed and shortcuts, it will punish you quickly. The market rewards preparation and humility. If you want more clear, honest, and beginner-friendly explanations about trading, investing, psychology, and money, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. We focus on understanding, not hype. Hit the subscribe button because in trading, knowledge is the only real edge you can control.